Hey guys, welcome to the Pega free tutorial series. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how you can create an agent and schedule an agent schedule. So let's get started. So first of all, go to Designer Studio, click on the System tab, go down to the Operations, then click on Agents. So here, as you can see, the list of agents available on your right hand side. So like you may ask, like, what are agents and what's the use of agents? Well, agents are used to run to generate reports. So you may ask them, what are reports and what's the need of reports? Well, business uses reports to get meaningful information out of it. For an example, I can say business wants to see how many orders have been cancelled each day or how many orders they have successfully converted. So that's the main use of reports. So as we are starting with agents, so let's focus on agents. So as you can see over here, I'll click on the Pega import or export. So that shows like when this agent runs. So the pattern is periodic. You can move into recurring or startup the way you want. But let's say I'll move into some different type of agent. That is some list of options. Okay, Pega integration engine. So over here, okay, it called also only one. I'll go to agents again and click on Pega search engine. I hope this got a bunch of more options. Okay, so over here you can define the patterns. As you can see, recurring, or if you want to start in the beginning, startup, over here you can define intervals, like how often do you want the agent to be running. So make sure that you are not overloading the system. So sometimes what people do is like they just put mistakenly 1 second. So in that way, what you're doing is if you are querying some database that got like heavily loaded objects, so it might have an impact on your system. So make sure your agent schedule is on top, is not having a direct impact on your system. So then go to the agent schedule. If you click on this, that brings up your schedule. Let's go to rule factoring. That again pretty much shows the same thing, like how often do you want to schedule it. So if you want to, for an example, if you say I don't want to run this, or let's say like I want to disable. So I had few more reports which has got a few bunch of options. Let's say Pega is remote. Okay, yeah, there you go. So here, as you can see, there are few remaining options which you might not want to continue. So let's say if you want to disable this one, right? So you might want, okay, I don't want this, I want to disable this and run something else. So that's all right. So you can just click on this. That will disable the agent, so it will not run for that particular agent. So it's up to you how you want to schedule it. Okay, moving on. So then you might ask, okay, how are you going to run this agents? Okay, for that you need to go to a node. That's where you run the agents. So go to the Designer Studio again, go to System, Operations, go to System Management Application. Over here you need to add a node. Click on a new add node. Over here you just put a name. I'll just put Pega tutorial agent. There you go. And over here make sure you are connected to the local JVM, or if you are connected to the remote one, you need to specify the details. So as I'm running on my local machine, so I'm just going to specify local JVM connection, no need of credentials. I'll just click on submit. Okay, node successfully created. There you go. Click on the agent. Over here, as you can see, the status and all the details over here. So multi-threading is disabled. Okay, the PC name. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next, administration, agent management. Click on agents. So over here you can see the list of agents that are available. As you can see, the Pega import export agent is not running. So if you want to, and it's running on, it's scheduled to run on every 600 seconds. However, it's not running now because the node was not there before. So we have just created the node. So let's start this agent. Click on this radio button, press start. There you go. So it starts the agent. Also, as you can see, it displays when is the next run and when was the last run. So if there is an error while you're starting up an agent, you will see over here, like if there is an error, it will pop up here. So let's stop this agent. If you click on stop, there you go, it stopped. Also, what you can do, you can restart the agent as well if you need. If you see an exception, sometimes the database is not up and running, or the remote system is not available. In that case, if you want to restart your agent, you can just restart your agent right over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop it now over here, and that's it. We just learned how you can use an agent to generate reports. Thank you.